we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
In extreme cases, these electrical sparks can end up burning small holes in the metal wall. In general, putting metal in the microwave is unsafe. Not because you are at risk of bodily harm, though in extreme cases a fire might be started in your microwave, but because it could potentially damage your microwave.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.